Quick Walmart run. Some damn oil.
Just in case it's not the right filter.
All right. Let's see. We're gonna be doing an oil change for a 2013 Chevy Malibu. Let's see. Should be, I want to say this one. Let's see what that is. 15.
What size is that?
15.
What the hell?
Make sure this cap is off. Alright. You can probably start opening it right now. You unscrewed it?
No, I'm gonna wait till it's flowing out.
Yeah, it's flowing. This shit was dirty. And let that drain out. Let's take out the dipstick and your oil cap. Alright, after that's done draining, let's give it a quick wipe. Screw that back in. Here, get this oil filter. Oh, fuck. Alright, get you one of these. Screw it in.
have an oil filter.
Yeah, I just gotta unscrew it to make it bigger. All right, get that on there just like that. Twist that shit. Make sure this is lined up. Oh, fucking bitch. Damn. God damn. Oh. That's a motherfucker. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Next time, I could probably record for you.
I know, it's kind of hard.
So you got 2 hands.
Kind of hard doing it with one hand. Fuck. That's a good one. Alright. It's one move you guys don't want to make. Alright, after you clean up your mess from spilling it, wipe this shit down. I should put some gloves on, but fuck it. Where's that new filter at? I think we got the wrong filter.
No way.
Way. It's too small.
Let me see.
Yeah, way too small. Yeah, that one's for sure way bigger.
Take a picture of this real quick.
Now what?
Back to Walmart we go.
First.
Oh yeah, you know what? That's right. Fuck. Damn.
Fucking bitch. It's holding real stiff.
Let me see. Go ahead. I'll hold it.
I'm sure it'll end up real quick.
Alright. Alright, round 2.
You know, in that, it wouldn't hurt either to go right there in the section where we got the thing from.
Filter.
And yeah, and then they usually have a book.
Oh, and you just read it right there in the book?
Yeah, they compartment the car, and then it'll say what kind of number their brands have for it.
Yeah, we can see if they have that.
But first, we gotta get our money back because they don't do exchanges, I think. Just refunds, and then we go get their money. Damn it. Fuck it. Oh, shit.
Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Security.
Ran out.
Alright. Hello,
Service
how
is
you
closed
doing?
already.
It is?
Yeah.
We can't do no returns?
We'll do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow then?
But no, we'll get it right now.
Oh, alright.
Buy another one.
Can I leave it with you? Alright.
Let's put it right there.
Alright.
Which one you want? Because it's only 3 tourists. Okay, I have 40. So it's fine.
Pero bueno, ahorita te hablo de
Oh. Alright.
We're gonna have the book.
Shit. Let's see.
I'll just buy all of them. Have a good night.
Alright. Walmart didn't got it. Didn't have it.
What, for Reillys?
Yeah. Fuck it. Why not?
Fucking fresh air. Shut.
Shit, thank God this shit's just right here. How you doing? What's up, man? Oh, we need an oil filter for a 2013 Chevy Malibu LT.
2013 Chevy Malibu. What engine size is in there?
2.5.
2.5. You have a specific brand you're looking for?
Uh,
Not brand, but what I carry, which is a store brand, Microguard, Wix XP. I'm sure Wix X Pro, Mobile One, K&N. I don't have the original Delco, of course, but I have
which one you want to go with?
probably the Microguard. Microguard Select or the 7, but you guys change it a lot. Even Fram, if you're looking to cars, if you're into the car world, their quality has declined. So Fram has really gone down on quality. I believe it. Yeah. What number is boss?
Bypass it. Just push enter.
Oh, shit. You need the receipt on? No,
Yeah, just in case, yeah.
It should be good. Alright, guys. Appreciate
All right,
you.
appreciate it. You have a good one. All right. Let's roll. We should have just went here from the start. They got this done a long time ago. Was it cheaper than Walmart?
No.
Not really.
Hold that top one. Better brand though.
Yeah.
Last a little longer.
Want to leave that one right there?
Never take
Yeah, for real. Shit.
wasn't it bright outside?
Where'd that flashlight go? Let me see. Alright, let's see.
Mom, Dad,
Yeah.
I need home.
No, I'm using it right now. Mom's inside.
I don't want to charge it.
What is it? What?
I don't want to charge it. What are you doing?
I'm changing the oil on the car.
Dad,
Yeah, Pop.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Say Daniel like the genie where you just saw the like the video. Say Daniel. Dad.
Yeah.
I'm not giving you a phone double second.
Alright. After you get this screwed on. Let's tighten this up. You got the oil filter? Huh? No, the filter.
Oh shit, in the car.
Alright, let's see.
It'll be good though. It'll be alright.
Go ahead.
Get it real quick though. Come on.
Yeah, I just want to spill it right here.
Wipe it.
Yeah. Yeah, right. All right, here. All right, let's see. Hold that. Alright. That's about it. Is that right? Yeah. Oh, what you know, we'll check it when it's down off the stands. Move these. Let's see. Nothing under. Got everything right. That. We off? What?